everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Natasha from Knotting Hoops, and today I'm going to teach you something really interesting that is called the stem stitch. So let's get started. So here we are going to do a stem stitch. So what you need to do is bring your needle up through the back, make a stitch a little longer than you normally would. And then before pulling the thread all the way down, you want to bring the needle up through the halfway point between where you came up and where you went down. So if you look at me doing it there, now see I'm making the normal stitches, and in the normal length stitches, not a very long stitch, normal length stitches, I am getting the needle up from where I last ended the last stitch. So this is me showing it to you a little fast so that you get to see the pattern, and there it is. Now I'm going to show you how to use the stem stitch to border a flower, because it gives like a three-dimensional effect if you border this flower with a stem stitch. It's a beautiful stitch, very versatile and very easy to learn as well. All you want to keep in mind is the direction of the thread. You see, I'm holding on to the thread, right? Now I'm holding on to the thread because I want it to go in a particular direction. If I change if I hold the head towards myself or towards the other side, the direction of that ropey effect changes. So here is I've taken 2 strands of the yarn, and these are anchor threads, and I am giving a border to this yellow flower. Now when you're doing curves, you want to be a little careful. You want to take smaller and shorter stitches. That way your curve comes a little cleaner. So there we go. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you go ahead and give me a thumbs up, like, spread the word around, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.